Good morning. Welcome back, children. In this video, we will do the second part of class 3 computer, the internet, an introduction. Advantages and disadvantages of internet. As you all know, children, that everything has some good points and some bad points. Now we will see what are the advantages of internet. As you all know, internet is of great help to all the people across the world. The first one is faster communication. Internet has made it easy for the users to talk anyone across the world through emails. It also gives us the option of face-to-face interaction through social media websites like Facebook, Google Plus and Skype. So internet has helped us in faster communication. We can talk to anyone across the world through emails, electronic mails, writing messages. Also face-to-face interaction is available, which is video calling through social media websites like Facebook, Google Plus and Skype. We can connect with our friends, family members and relatives. Second, access to enormous information. We the users can access any information related to their interest on the internet through different search engines. So children, we can access to any kind of information on the internet through different search engines like Yahoo and Google. Third one is learning. Internet plays an important role in the process of learning. Students can learn various concepts related to different subjects using the audio or video lessons over the internet. So internet is quite helpful for the students in the learning process. They can learn various concepts related to the subjects of their choice. And not only the audio but also video lessons are available over the internet. The next point is easy sharing. The users can share any information in the form of text, graphics, audio and video files over the internet with one or many users at the same time. So children, if you have to send one message to 50 people, there is no need to send each of them personally. The message can be forwarded to 50 persons at the same time. So internet allows easy sharing. E-commerce and online services. E-commerce means buying and selling of goods online. You can buy goods of your own choice and enjoy the online services. Also, e-banking is available through the internet. You can do your banking transactions online. You can check your account balance. You can see what are the transactions in your account, and even you can transfer funds from one person to another online through your bank account. Then cost effective. It is easy to share devices like printers and scanners in a network, thus reducing the cost of buying hardware. Also, sending emails to people living in different countries is cheaper than making phone calls. So children, internet is cost effective as one printer and scanner can be used by many users, and it reduces the cost of buying hardware, means more printers and scanners. Also, when we send emails to people, those who are living in different countries, it's quite cheaper because making a phone call is costlier than sending mails. So these were the advantages of internet. Faster communication, access to enormous information, learning, easy sharing, e-commerce and online services, cost effective. Now let us see the disadvantages of internet. The first one, as you all know children, everything has some advantages and disadvantages. Let us see the disadvantages. The first one, loss of information. The information that we share on the internet, it can be easily stolen by someone who has bad intentions. So children, we should never share our personal information like our bank details, passwords, details of credit and debit cards on the internet. We should never share our personal details as they can be easily stolen by someone who has bad intentions, who has some intentions of cheating us. Understood, children? The second point is spread of false information. Sometimes what happens, children, the information which is not true, it spreads very instantly on the information, on the spread of false information. So the second disadvantage is, children, that the information which is present on the internet, and sometimes it is false, it is not true, but it spreads instantly, very fast, which causes problems and misunderstanding between person. Next, virus threat. Computers which are connected to the internet can be attacked by virus. This can delete important files from the system. So children, if our computer which is connected to the internet, if by chance it is attached by virus, it can delete our all important files from the system. Spam. The unwanted advertisement like emails received by the users are called spam. These slow down the system and sometimes they may contain virus. So children, the unwanted advertisements, emails which we receive sometimes are known as spam. And what do these spams do? They slow down the system and sometimes they may also contain virus. And virus can delete our important files from the system. So we should be aware of these disadvantages of the internet.